Yo, what's up everyone? It's Gabriel Bazuru. Are you tired of struggling financially? Do you ever feel like you're working hard but not getting ahead? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'll reveal 5 money mistakes that could be keeping you broke, and how to fix them. These are the same mistakes I see people making all the time, and they can really hold you back from achieving your financial goals. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building wealth, let's get right into it. The first, and probably most common mistake, is spending more than you earn. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain open. It just doesn't work. I used to do this when I first started making money, thinking I needed the newest phone, the fanciest clothes, all to impress people I didn't even know. But that stuff just disappears. It's what's called depreciating assets, which basically means they lose value over time. Think about it, that brand new car you want, the second you drive it off the lot, it's worth less. And then you're stuck with car payments, insurance, and repairs. It's a financial black hole. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation. Track your income and expenses, create a budget, and stick to it. You'll be surprised how much money you can save by simply being mindful of where it's going. Next up, we have the dreaded credit card trap. Now, I'm not saying all credit cards are bad. Used responsibly, they can be great for building credit and earning rewards. But, and this is a big but, if you're only making minimum payments and racking up high-interest debt, it's like throwing money away. The average credit card interest rate is over 20%, which is insane. Think about it, you buy a $1,000 TV on a credit card, and if you're only making minimum payments, you could end up paying double or even triple the original price over time. That's money that could be going towards your future, your investments, your dreams. Instead, create a plan to pay down your credit card debt as quickly as possible. Consider a balance transfer to a lower interest card or look into debt consolidation options. Okay, now let's talk about emergencies. Life throws curveballs, it's inevitable. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, your dog eats something it shouldn't have, we've all been there. These things happen, and if you're not prepared, they can completely derail your finances. That's why having an emergency fund is so crucial. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up in a separate account. I know it seems like a lot, but trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. Start small, even if it's just $50 a month, and gradually increase it over time. You'll be amazed at how quickly it adds up. Now, let's talk about investing. I know, investing can seem intimidating, especially when you're young, but trust me, it's one of the most important things you can do for your financial future. The magic of compound interest is real, my friends. Basically, it's like earning interest on your interest. It's like a snowball effect for your money. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Think of it this way, if you invest $100 a month starting at age 25, at a 7% average annual return, by the time you're 65, you'll have over $230,000. That's the power of compound interest. Now I know what you're thinking, where do I even begin? Well, start by educating yourself. There are tons of resources available online and even apps that make investing simple and accessible. Last but not least, let's talk about mindset. This is probably the most overlooked aspect of personal finance, but it's so important. Your beliefs about money can either hold you back or propel you forward. If you constantly tell yourself you're bad with money, you're never going to be rich, or you don't deserve financial abundance, guess what? You're probably right. Our thoughts become our reality. Instead, focus on cultivating a positive money mindset. Believe that you are capable of achieving your financial goals. Surround yourself with successful people. Read books, listen to podcasts, and educate yourself about personal finance. Remember, knowledge is power. So there you have it, guys. 5 money mistakes that could be keeping you broke and how to fix them. Which mistake are you guilty of? Comment below. I'm curious to know what resonated with you the most. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more financial hacks. And if you want to learn how to make $100 a day online, watch this video next.